A mistake that many car owners make when cleaning their car is ignoring the interior. Since you spend a lot of time inside the car, you should always make sure the area is in good condition. Clean car seats, dashboards, and windows with the best car interior cleaner. The car interior cleaning solution is a suitable solution for cleaning areas inside the car. There are many different cleaners on the market to consider when looking for a cleaner. In car maintenance, interior cleaning is one of the most crucial factors. Great cleaners not only keep your car's interior beautiful, but it also improves its health and prevents further damage over time. In this video, our team has compiled the 5 best car interior cleaners to help you feel fresh while driving. If you want more information, be sure to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's get into the video. In this video, the best all-purpose interior cleaner is ranked number 1. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner is great for different car parts. You can use it on the dashboard, windshield, carpet, and seats. This is a testament to its versatility. The versatility of this product comes from its compatibility with different materials. These include rubber, plastic, leather, wood, and chrome. This gentle formula won't harm surfaces or stain them. Some of the locations this cleaner will tackle are typical dry oil, dirt, and grime stains. One impressive thing about this cleaner from Chemical Guys is its protective ability. It contains a blend of UV blockers that will protect clean surfaces from direct sunlight. As a result, components such as seats, windows, and plastic parts will last longer with no signs of fading. It comes in a 16-ounce liquid container. It weighs just 1.1 pounds. It has a great smell that will give a fresh feel to your car interior. At number 2, Leather Honey 8-ounce Cleaner. Leather is a durable car seat cover material. You need a leather cleaner to maintain its quality. A good example of such a product is the Leather Honey 8-ounce Leather Cleaner. It is an all-purpose cleaner that you can use on any leather surface, both in your car and in your home. It is a pre-mixed detergent that you don't need to add water before use. Furthermore, it is non-toxic. It does not have any health risk when used. This ready-to-use product will work on different surfaces apart from the skin. You can use it on plastic, artificial leather, and rubber surfaces without causing degradation. This car interior cleaner will remove dirt, stubborn stains, and oil. To use Leather Honey Cleaner, pour it on a clean cloth and dab on the stained areas. It is not necessary to rub as this agent is very effective. If your leather seats are stained, this leather cleaner will restore them. Its composition ensures a neat, like new surface. It is odorless and safe to use, with no risk of injury to bare skin. At number 3, Leather Milk Auto Leather Conditioner and Cleaner. If you are looking for a car interior cleaner, look for one that is easy to use. Leather Milk car leather conditioners and cleaners are very practical and versatile. This is a water-based solution. That is, very little water is needed to dilute it before use. This is not required, especially for stubborn stains. Use the included mop pad to apply a portion to the stain spot. You may notice a strong odor at first, but it disappears over time and does not affect the natural fragrance of the leather material. It can be used on various surfaces such as rubber and plastic. For your safety, run a sample test to see the response. This step is especially necessary when dealing with colored or dirty areas. It can also be used as a conditioner to improve tension. It has also UV protection properties. When applied to sheets and dashboards, it protects against harmful UV rays that can cause color loss. This cleanser comes in a 12-ounce bottle, if used sparingly. The next choice for a good car interior cleaner is Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner. It has many amazing properties. First, it is packaged in a convenient spray bottle that is easy to use and ready to use. It is suitable for many surfaces and is therefore highly adjustable. It can be used on rubber, leather, metal, plastic, and many other surfaces. This cleaner is safe for both the surface and the user. It does not damage the painted surface and is gentle on the skin. The cleaner picks up dust, oil, dirt, and spills. The inside of the car shines brilliantly, so you can use it for any stain. Unlike other solutions, it leaves no greasy marks that can be offensive to some people. Not only is it a cleaner, but it also contains some protective substances. Thanks to its sunscreen properties, it has a protective shield against aging, cracking, and fading due to exposure to UV light. The 1.1-ounce bottle is lightweight and easy to handle. When not in use, it can be stored in a convenient location such as a trunk. It has a controlled scent that disappears quickly. At number 5, Nextzett Cockpit Premium. Customization is an important factor to look for when getting the best product for cleaning your car. This cleaner considers this attribute. Regardless of the material, its versatility is itself if it can be used to clean the surface of a room. Nextzett's products are ideal for cleaning steering wheels, dashboards, seats, carpets, and more. It is gentle on these surfaces and treats light dust, dirt, spills, and other stains. In addition, it can be used on transparent and colored surfaces without the risk of fading. Speaking of fading, the dashboard cleaner contains a UV blocker that prevents internal fading. It also protects these surfaces from cracking and breakage, which are side effects of long-term sun exposure. After cleaning, a transparent surface that is oily and non-slip remains. This product has a mild citrus scent that won't frustrate you. It is a water-based solution that does not contain silicone. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.